Okay, good evening. My name is David. I'm going to take you through a short demonstration of how the RetailStar POS works. So we're going to start with the login. So once you've installed the system on your computer, you can log in. You can start the program by clicking this RetailStar icon. Okay, and put in the password. Okay, so once you've logged into the system, you'll be taken through to the main interface, which shows all the modules that are available in the system. The main modules available include point of sale, product lists, inventory management, customer management, invoices, quotations, purchase orders, debtors module, reports, expenses, category management, staff management, supplier management, management of the hardware devices, as well as finally the company module. Okay, so the first module we're going to take you through is the point of sale module. Okay, so mainly for the cashiers, they'll be using this module, and to use this module you will need to you can either search the product or use a barcode scanner to search. So if you search the product, you can use a word search like that. Once you type the product, it will show you the suggestions, and you can enter. If you also use a barcode, you can also use a barcode like that and scan. It will be able to search the product as well. So once you've entered your product, you will go to the payment, okay, by either clicking on the payments tab or pressing on F12, and then you'll receive the cash payment. The system will calculate you the balance of change. Then from there you can print you'll finalize the transaction by pressing enter, isn't it? And it will print the receipt. Okay, the other module is the products module. It's a list of all the products that your store will be selling. You can update each product. When you update each product, it will give you the interface for entering all the details for that product, including the product description, the product code, the barcode, the buying price, the retail price. If you're having wholesale, it also allows you to do wholesale price, the reorder level, plus other details including units and category and the VAT group. And you can also add a new product at this point by clicking on the add new product button. Okay, the other module is the inventory module. The inventory module allows you to manage your inventory. It shows you the current inventory level and allows you to manage your stock. So the inventory module shows the current inventory levels of all the products in your store that are in stock. Okay, and from here you can monitor the levels, like the low stocks. The products that are highlighted in red are the ones which are below the reorder level and they need to be ordered. Okay, let's go to the next. The next module is called the customer module. It's a list of all your customers. We also have the invoices module. It shows all your transactions for a given period, which can be the day or a month. We also have a quotation and purchase order module. Okay, the purchase order module allows you to initiate the process of ordering for new stocks for your store. Like so you can create a purchase order by selecting a vendor and selecting the products that you want to purchase, and then after having created those products, you can now create a purchase order. So that is a sample of a purchase order that you can issue to your supplier. And then once you've issued the purchase order, the LPO can be committed and the products can be received. So the whole process of creating a purchase order up to buying, up to receiving the products, is being done by this product. Okay, the system also allows for direct purchase. Okay, then we also have a data's module that tracks all the customers and their sales. So that tracks all the sales. It tracks all the customers and their payments against their invoices. So it allows you to monitor the amount of credit that has been issued to your customers. We also have a few reports on the system. The reports that are available include daily sales report, okay. We also have the cash register report. We also have the payments report. We also have the periodic sales report. We also have the VAT analysis report, and we also have the profit and loss report, which also incorporates profit per product. There are also some graphical reports, including daily sales report graphically illustrated. We also have monthly sales report, which is also another graphical report. We have best seller reports showing the movement of the various products in your shop. And finally, we also have the inventory reports, which include stocks in report, stocks out report, inventory value. We also have inventory aging report, and we also have the GRN report, goods received not report. We also have expenses module, which allows you to track the expenses of your business, like transport, wages, rent, and other expenses, which are tracked either monthly, annually, or daily. We also have the categories module that allows you to create the various categories that you use to categorize your products. Like, for example, these categories here are for a supermarket. They can have categories like breakfast, groceries, fresh products, drinks, liquor, etc. We also have a staff module that allows you to create and add users to the system, and also give them the required permissions. So to update any staff, you can click and update the staff. So you can allocate to them a branch. You can give them the name. You can save the name. You can give the username, give the role that they have, and also the passwords that they'll be using to log into the system. So the super administrator can be able to change all those details. We also have a module called the role management module that allows you to allocate roles to allocate permissions for each of the roles that have been defined in the system, which could include accountant, admin, cashier, and store manager. Okay, those are the roles that are available in the system. We also have the devices management module that allows you to configure the tax devices and the printing devices, including the receipt printer and the barcode scanner, as well as the cash drawer that can be registered into the system, and also select the format of the receipt that you want to print out. There is a standard, which is the 80 millimeters, or fiscal, or dot matrix printer, or dot matrix format. Finally, we have the corporate information module, which allows you to add information concerning your company, including the name of your company, the address, the phone numbers, email addresses, website addresses, the tax identification number, and the currencies and the country of operation. In this module also, it allows you to upload the logo that will be used for the purchase orders and invoices that will be raised from the system. This module also allows you to set up the tax rates. Whether you have VAT or any other taxes, they can be defined at this point. We also have the acceptable payments. You can configure whether you want the system to receive cash, mobile, card, or check, plus other details, including the messages that will appear on the invoices as well as on the receipts. And finally, we also have the section for defining the shifts and to define whether the system will be using the cash register to track all the sales during the day. So those are the main modules of the system. That's a brief overview of the system. The other buttons here are mainly for configuration and setup, and plus a few shortcuts. The system also has an audit trail that tracks all the actions that take place into the system, including addition of products, inventory adjustment, and all that. So the audit trail will track every system action that will be taken. So those are basically the modules of the system. And if you have any other questions, please get back in touch with us.